Whether you're giving a prepared presentation through remote video collaboration with company employees or just doing an on-camera demo, using a teleprompter to keep your presentation focused is often helpful and enhances the impact of your message with eye-to-eye screen contact. The recent health crisis has compelled us to embrace technologies that enable many of us to work effectively from our homes, and it's likely that our new normal will see this trend expanding. So if you need to make a speech or presentation from home, check out our Residential Prompter Kit. The kit includes a round base, an 18-inch flexible extension arm, and a gimbal clamp with a 1/4-20 thread. The reflective prompter mirror sits at an angle directly in front of your webcam or other camera. A black fabric light-blocking hood is also included. I'm using the RUSHWORKS software for Windows, which you can download, try, and purchase for $99. Place the Windows device or extended monitor on your desk, facing up into the mirror. Use the mirror mode in the software to flip the image for proper display. For the best quality, we recommend a camcorder like the Sony Handycam HDR CX405 that I'm using for this demo. Because it has an optical zoom lens, you don't lose quality like you would using a digital zoom on a webcam. The video image quality is on par with many studio cameras, and it's available from several vendors for under $200. So make the most of your situation and communicate directly and effectively from anywhere with the Residential Prompter Kit and RUSHWORKS software from RUSHWORKS.